phase 2 ng embutido. So, after thoroughly mixing ang ating meat and ingredients, papak na natin siya using sausages and hard-boiled egg. Yun yung traditional. So, we pack it in aluminum foil. So, the way you pack it is mga 1 foot. 1 foot of aluminum foil. So, pack lang natin. Yes. Pack natin and then take from your mixed embutido. Gawa lang kayo ng parang rectangle into the aluminum foil. Make sure na pantay yung corners niya para pagbalot natin mamaya perfect cylinder siya. And the way you do it, put in sausage sa dulo, hard-boiled egg sa gitna. Okay, and then another sausage. And then how you do it is you roll the aluminum foil. Make sure it's in a cylinder, and then roll a bit more. Roll until the end, while pinching yung magkabilang dulo, pinching both ends. Okay. So now you have one embutido ready for steaming. And then another foot of aluminum foil. Take from your mixture. Yan. Depende sa size ng gusto nyong embutido kung ilan yung ilalagay nyo na mixture ng meat nyo. Gusto nyo mapayat, gusto nyo mataba, gusto nyo mahaba, gusto nyo maiksi. Depende sa preference nyo. At depende rin sa size ng steamer nyo. Kasi baka mamaya sobrang haba, hindi naman magkasya dun sa steamer nyo. So, repeat lang. Put in the sausage, egg in between. So, one whole hard-boiled egg cut into 4 equal pieces. Okay, and then yung sausage naman, halos ganun din. So, roll, pinch, pinch, roll, pinch, pinch, roll, pinch, pinch, roll, pinch, pinch, roll, pinch, pinch. Okay. So, repeat lang yun. Repeat lang ng repeat hanggang sa maubos yung mixture. And then, you put this into a steamer. Steam for 1 hour. Now, I'll be back to show you how we steam and kung ano yung magiging result ng embutido natin. So, wait for part 3. See you!